Yeah, good evening. Today is day 6 session. Day 6 session. What is meant by it's easy to observe. Observers is nothing but that is if an example I have to give for this. Observers is nothing but it's the host. Whether we have a website or I have a website means I want to host it in the EC2 instance. There are observers in Nginx is there, Apache is there, Tomcat is there. In Windows means IAS is that is called as a server. If EC2 instance is there, while EC2 instance is EC2 instance, the website is running by the EC2 instance, and the port name is we need a port 80. If we want to access in the Google means we want port 80. And then if you have a website means we want one web server, and that we can store our data and launch the website in the EC2 instance. Okay, whether I can give a practical note, launch a website. Okay, launch a website, and I created as a server, web-based server, like server. Okay, same Windows I selected, and I selected as the I selected 2022 base. Okay, it's a T2 micro. T2 micro it's loading. Yeah, it's a T2 micro, and we want to set it as a normal existing keeper. Okay, we want to edit this and subnet we take it as a 2A. In Ohio there is a 3 subnet is there, but in Virginia, in Virginia, six type of subnet is there in Virginia, and in firewall we selected as the existing firewall, and we click as what we can click means database class 4. Let's say 4. We can click this. Okay, and another one. Then we launch the instance. View all instance. The name is that server is there. In this server, the detailing is the instance is pending. After the running, we can move to the next part. Yeah, security part. Move to security part. Okay. Security part, there will be one is there. We go to security group. Okay, it's running. Let's go to security group. We want to create one web server. No? Edit the inbound. We can delete it. We can delete this and this, and we want to add a new rule like. This is called HTTP. HTTP means while you are we want to access any other server in remote means we want this HTTP, and custom we choose anywhere, and we can add another one rule, and it is RDP. RDP is important, and we take it as IPv4. Okay, then we have to save the rule. Yeah. Save the rule. The rule is saved. After that, click the instance. This instance is stored and installation. Yeah. Just wait for some to run. It's running now. Okay. Why I put B? Inbound mode means inbound mode. Inbound mode means there is no restrictions. Why it means if we want to access remotely by the QoN means what I can say now. QoN means we want to access HTTP is important for that. If you open some IPs or public DNS, IPs is important to public DNS. It's not secure like that. It's come. I practically said, if we launch the instance, you easily pick up. We can connect the instance. Connect the instance through Vita RDP and the same. Get the password. Upload the get the password. AWS. Okay. Then get the password and decrypt it. It's not going to update the private key. And like I think this. Yeah, decrypt it. That's decrypted. We open the remote desktop. Yeah, remote desktop, and we can paste the public DNS in the space. Okay, and administrator is this. Administrator is this. Okay, then we can connect we have one password with that. Yeah, we can copy it and paste it in this column. And okay, this one. Just of the remote server open. Only server to server. Next, what we want to do is this start button. Click the start button. A server manager is there. And we want to access this remote to the QoN. And dashboard is completed, then only we can open this. Manage. This is running. Roles and features. It's running. Yeah, it's done. We can add the roles and features. Just give next. We want to only put the role-based or feature-based installation. Put the next. And we have only one server. called Microsoft Windows Server 2020 Data Center, and we want to put next. And in this column we have to click the web server and add a features, then give next. In future, that's default features, that is default, and give next. And role based services, it's default for. Then we can install it. It will take time. Much time. Here common HTTP features, static runtime, default document, directory browsing, HTTP errors. So much of options are there. Once the installation completed, we can do important things. Yeah. In Windows, RDP is main. In Linux, the SSH is main. The server is running, installing. So we can dive into it. After the result, it's too late. Taking too much of time, so it's installed. Yeah, next we can minimize it. And go to the instance and copy the public IP, open a new tab and paste it here. Or otherwise we go with the incognito mode and paste it here. And it's not come, continue to the site. Click the continue to the site and the browser will come and the Windows server will come. If you want to go with the EC2 instance, you want to RDP, just close it to the main window, click the Windows Start button and go not with File Manager, go to File Manager, and here what is that? Here the local disk is there, and we go with init. The root is there, and if you open this, our server will open in the client. Whether we have to write it like that, I want to put my name as Hari, like that I wrote. and I save it. Okay, and minimize this remote desktop and open the new tab, and I paste it here. IP not home means we have to possible na. Here I wrote a name in the Windows server, and here the output is come. That's all. That wind up today's session. Yeah, thank you.